Welcome back to my channel. Hope y'all are having a blessed day. Today we're going to do a different kind of video. I usually do empties videos. I include the candles. From here on out, we're going to do candle empties separate. Okay, so let's just jump right into it because it's become its own thing. It's at the end of all the videos and usually there's quite a few. So let's get started. I have this Candle Essentials Mint Hot Chocolate candle. I found it at a yard sale for $1 and it had a brown, green, and white layer, as you can see. I mean, it did burn all the way down. Wax did stick to the side of the jar a little bit, but for the most part it burned very nicely and it smelled good. It did smell like mint hot chocolate, more hot chocolate than anything. I really enjoyed this and I would love to know if you guys know where this came from. Walmart candles. I have a Mahogany Driftwood from the Walnut Avenue candles. Love these candles from Walnut Avenue. They are like Bath and Body Works dupes. This is a 14-ounce candle for $5. And this is one of my favorite scents, and this is the Mahogany Driftwood. It's a very manly, kind of musky scent. If you like men cologne, you'll probably love this. And it has a very nice throw. Those always burn very nicely, and that's why I don't care to purchase them from Walmart because they're $5. They burn very nice, they soot little, and they usually have pretty amazing throws. So I definitely recommend, especially the Mahogany Driftwood candle. Awesome. Now since we're talking about Walmart, we're going to go ahead and do the waxes. They're all from Walmart. Sensational Sugar Pumpkin Cronuts. Probably mispronounced that horribly. This was an awesome scent. It's a bakery scent. It's a nice sweet sugary scent. Not so much pumpkin, but cinnamon. Like, that's what I smell anyways. This was awesome. I would definitely repurchase that. Here is the limited edition Better Homes and Garden. All these were limited edition scents. Midnight Pumpkin Patch. This was okay. It's trying to be like a pumpkin with like a cologne kind of. Very nice. It had an okay throw and I ended up using 2 cubes at a time because it didn't have an amazing throw, just so you know. This is the Weekend Camping Trip. Another, yeah, just nice pine woodsy kind of scent. Apple and oak, and this is more of an apple scent. I didn't really smell any oak, but just a high like pitched fresh apple scent to me. Very nice. I have some Dollar General candles for you. Vanilla Sugar Cookie. This was $1.50. Nice cute jars. I think these would have made very nice gifts for gift baskets. This had an okay throw. It wasn't anything spectacular, only in the kitchen. Slightly disappointed with the Perfect Harvest Blueberry Pumpkin Pancakes. This was $5. It did have a nice scent. It took a while for this to get going and burn really well. But as you can see, it did soot very little and it did burn all the way down. The throw of this just wasn't there. Like, it smelled really great in the jar, but it literally only felt like my kitchen. I prefer a candle that's very strong, at least through 2 or 3 rooms. I love those candles. Here's the last candle from Dollar General, and this is Perfect Harvest Pumpkin. This one did soot a lot, but burnt very nicely all the way down. Fantastic scent. This filled the entire house with scent. I loved this one. I would definitely repurchase this one, and I know that this is out of season, but hopefully this is a scent they bring back because it was so good. This one, oh my goodness, it just smells so very good and such an amazing throw. Last but not least, we have the Dollar Tree candles. These are mason jars. I love the mason jar candles. This one is in Fresh Peaches, and I think this is the first time ever, but I have nothing bad to say about the candles I got. Except, I mean, this like left some on the jar, but it burnt pretty decently. These all had great throws. I'm so shocked about it. The peaches one, I love this one. Absolutely love it. If you like peaches, this is just straight up peach scent. Perfect for the kitchen. Loved it. Another mason jar candle. This one's from the Luminescent Warm Maple Syrup. Fantastic. I love Dollar Tree's maple scents, and this was spot on. It was very strong throw and it burnt very nicely. And these new like oval like candles that Dollar Tree came out with, this is Chestnut Clove. Awesome. absolutely awesome. One of those, it burnt very nicely. These would make great gifts. The scent is so nice. It's a chestnut kind of scent, but it also reminded me of like kind of like a man cologne as well. And I also love their peppermint or kind of candy cane scents that come out with around the holiday. It's also in the oval jar. This was fantastic. I love this. It didn't like fill the entire house or anything, but kitchen alone, it was very festive scent, and I loved it for around the Christmas time. And I would definitely continue to repurchase peppermint or candy cane scents from them, as well as maple scents. They're my favorite. Hope you enjoyed these candle reviews. That's all the candles I have to review with you today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to check the description box for additional links. Thank you so very much for watching again. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already, and stay tuned for more videos like this.